Flowers, Colors, Fun. Hi, I'm Peach. I love flowers. They come in all shapes and sizes and are of different colors. Today, let's have some fun with flowers and colors. Now let's find out which is the first color on the list. It's the color red. And a red-colored flower would be the hibiscus. The next color is the color blue. The poppy anemone is a blue-colored flower. Next up is the color yellow. The beautiful sunflower is bright yellow in color. Next is the color pink. The dahlia flower is pink in color. Now let's move on to the next color on the list. We have the color purple. The pansy is purple colored. Next is the color green. When we think of the green color, several orchids are green in color. Next up is the color orange. Marigold flowers are orange in color. The next color we have on the list for the day is the color black. Although roses can be of different colors, did you know that there are also black colored roses? Next is the color white. Lilies are white in color. Yay! And that brings us to the end of our topic for the day. Now that you know so much more about colorful flowers, why don't you go ahead and try painting the flower that you love the most? I hope you had fun. And I also hope that you join us on our other fun adventures by checking out the videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. Want to know more about colors? Be sure to check out other videos regarding colorful fruits. Bye-bye for the day. See you soon. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.